We gain insights from investigating and understanding data. Data visualization tools like charts and graphs allow us to make sense of numeric data by exposing patterns, trends, and potential outliers. In Squid, you can add a chart to provide high-level view of your data, like opportunity amounts you could expect for each quarter in the year. With Chart Drill Down, you can provide way more values to a simple chart. Chart Drill Down allows users to click on a section of a chart and get more details on that section. In this example, I have 3 layers of Chart Drill Down. The first one gives me a breakdown of opportunities of the months in the selected quarter, and the second drill down gives me a breakdown of opportunities for each day in the selected month. Since I can't go any further, I added click interaction to view the opportunity in context. Other useful examples for chart drill down could be a chart of product categories, drilling down into the list of products. Or world regions, drilling down into countries. So let's look at the setup of chart drill down. When you have a chart in the canvas, you can click this Add Drill Down option. Then in the Series tab, click the plus button and it will automatically generate a drill down interaction. Make sure to configure your drill down charts appropriately. And that's it for our Squid's tip of the week. Check out our demos on our website and see our chart drill down in action. Thanks for watching and see you next week.